All right, so we pick up where we left off, drawing our multi-view drawings. With this drawing that we have here, oh, it's weird sounding. All right, so the item that we're working here, it's going to be viewing it from this view, which is the right side. When I view items, this direction is the right view. You have it from yesterday, last Friday.
Oh, I thought that was this paper.
Yes. This is viewing it from the front view.
So I don't think you're projecting it.
Oh, it's paused, sorry.
Sir, why are all the other directions blue?
Also, we can see your phone, sir.
Let me zoom in a little.
Yeah, sir, why do you have your phone? So we can
Because I'm better than all of you?
it's against the rules, sir.
It's not that hard to understand. It's just better than you. It happens, you know?
This is a very harsh claim in the court of law.
All right, let's see if that works well.
I view it as a demeanor towards the well-being of your students.
All right, so, okay, I think that's a better view. So, when you're looking at the right view, we're looking at it from this view, and that's the view we're missing. We're missing the right side. And we have the front view, which is looking at it straight this way. And then the top view, of course, from that view. So the key parts that I would be getting from the front would be like, how high is this edge right here? Keep your ruler as horizontal as you can. And then where the top of it is. We kind of already have those points there to show us where the top goes. I don't think that's too big of a mystery. I'm going to do light construction lines. You always start with light construction lines, and then you come and darken it in with darker lines. I'm using a marker just so that it shows up real well for you guys. Then oops. And the back of it, we can see from here, the back goes up to the full height, but I don't know like how far in it goes from there. And the way that I'll get that is I'll measure it. If I put my ruler on this, I get that it's like a centimeter. So just line up my ruler. Mark where a centimeter is. I apologize. I think this was drawn on the metric scale, so. Well, you gotta be versed in both types. All right, now, I am missing some stuff here. One of them is like the center lines for this giant circle here. So I'm gonna try to line up my ruler here to the middle of the circle. And I'm using the edge of the paper to try and make sure that it's like true to the middle and it's not angled weird. So that would be like our middle. Maybe that's a little high. That's why you start with a pencil first. Turn off your computer. We're not using our computers. And then the middle of it. And then I need the bottom. This is so that I know where to put my hidden lines and my center lines. It's important that you try to keep them as horizontal and vertical as possible. My center line looks a little bit crooked. So the center lines, they come out of the part, out of the hole, out of the arches, just a little bit. That's how center lines work. And for the side profile, it's like a little plus, a little minus sign with a 2 whiskers sticking out of the part. You see the, oh, it's a little dash and then 2 lines sticking out. It's a little dash and 2 lines sticking out. And then the hidden lines are just dashed lines. I'm missing one part though. Do you know what I'm missing? I'm missing one feature. Let's see if you guys can figure it out. Yes? Make sure that your object lines are dark, your construction lines are light or erased. And you should have your center lines and hidden lines in all the view. I am missing some hidden lines though. Anybody know what's missing? These little lines
The
with
ones for the little legs in the bottom.
Okay, the 2 little feet that are sticking out. Yeah, so I have a little gap right here. This, yeah, I should have a hidden line in here. So we can measure that. It looks like 5 millimeters. Telling you, this was drawn to the metric scale. All right, so that's what you should have on your drawing. Are you serious? You need to get that drawing thing. I'm about to move it up. You should be keeping up with me. Someone's phone is like that?
It's mine.
Oh. Even better, sir. Meet NBA superstar Steph Curry and unlock your superpowers. Sir, do you want to unlock your superpowers? you want me to do
Yeah,
some
here,
here?
just like I did.
I know you want me to do a free one.
If I did it, why wouldn't you?
Because you're the teacher, you make demonstrations.
Yes, I'm asking you to follow. These are technical drawings. They should all be the same from one person to the next.
That's very technical of you, sir.
This isn't artistic drawings where there's room for any sort of flair. It's like they're all supposed to be exact as best as you can draw it by hand, even better if you can draw with computers.